be Dad?
The only character I have.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yep. Let's get that Archer for the final time.
Attack
Packard. Quackrid.
Attack grid. Oh yeah, Dad. They added a new commando utility move, and I think it's really cool.
Quillin.
I haven't unlocked it yet though.
Quillin.
Oh, cool.
That's it.
What does it do?
So it's like. So here, let me pull it up real quick. Okay.
Wait. On what?
Not the fandom.
What's
Gamepedia. Well, I didn't unlock it, but yeah. The Risk of Rain 2 wiki, there's quite a few of them actually, so it's kind of hard to find.
Wait, I want to see the hidden rounds.
No, not yet. But the one for Gamepedia is really cool.
Oh.
I kid you not, the update came out like yesterday, and they already have a lot of it updated. But it's called the Tactical Slide.
Oh, cool.
Here.
You can use it to hit people?
I'll take a look.
Wait, well, how do you earn the tactical slide?
I'm taking a look, Zach. Okay, I'm hosting a private game now.
Don't start the game yet.
Okay. Slide on the ground for a short distance. You can fire while sliding.
Cool.
What's that?
Are you invincible while sliding?
No.
What, Dad?
Are you invincible while sliding?
I don't know. Stop. Okay, Dad, we're in the game now.
Okay, let's do this.
Stop. Zach, I said stop.
Does that annoy you?
No, but I want you to stop. The unreleased characters is Bandit and Hand.
Handy. It's like
Handy.
multi is multi and then handy because he's handy.
He's really handy.
I guess you could call him Handy.
Zach, calm down, okay? But yeah. Zach, stop. How do you unlock Commando Tactical?
It isn't yet. It isn't yet on.
Oh yeah, it's not on here yet. Forgot.
Oh, it's cool that they tell you how to unlock everyone.
Yeah. It is.
Okay. Time to complete the first teleporter event.
At least it's easy.
Okay, let's do this.
Whoa, Quentin, you've been getting lunar coins fast.
Yeah, I got 7 so far. I just need 4 more.
Dad, do you have any lunar? How much lunar coins do you have? 1.
Yeah.
I remember I did pick up 1, but I remember I didn't pick up 1 again.
Guys, come help me at this Shrine of Combat.
Okay, coming.
Oh yeah, where are you? Oh yeah, the next update they're gonna make it kind of easier to tell your players to find the parts from the enemy.
How is that gonna be possible? We already know what we look like, so we know.
That don't look like the thing.
At least you started with a bunch of enemies.
Although I'm not the biggest fan of Enforcer, I think it actually play a big role in this game too. Beetle. What'd you get from the Shrine Dash?
Oh, you just get to fight enemies that give you money, so that's the point of it. It's not like the Imp Shrine in the Terrain one, but especially in early games, when you don't really get to fight that many enemies sometimes, then it can be helpful for getting money.
I called it back. Don't pick it up though.
Never meant for him, so...
But Quentin, don't always stand next to it because you never know when you're gonna get a crowbar. That's for me, then Quentin. Crowbars are, guys, crowbars are for me.
Okay.
I'm Huntress.
Got barbed wire. Got the caution.
I got Silver Sling. Oh, barrel. And another chest.
Got Silver Syringe.
What's that up here?
Oh, what did you find?
Up here. It's up here. This top. Hopefully there's a way how you get up here. Dad, I got a tip. Jump against the wall, then dash. And then look up. Let's look up when you dash.
Whoa, it did work. Good tip.
Wait, now wait, no, that I want to see. Can you like literally just jump in the mid-air up as just look up?
Yes, I get
Nope.
it.
Dad!
I bought it.
Oh, I wanted it,
I get to buy it.
but you bought it too fast.
Just so I can try and get your account.
Yeah.
You didn't buy it too fast. You bought it too slow.
Guys, activate the challenges and that so we can get more items. Can someone get this skeleton? Can someone get that cube? Yeah, guys, that's good. Guys, I'm the lowest health. I'm the lowest health, so I'm gonna have this cube, guys. So I can have this.
And then I'm just like getting all these healing items.
Don't just find it, I buy it.
I can't buy it.
What is that? Oh, healing pack. I don't have enough money, and even if I did, I wouldn't want it because I already have
No, why is that?
I already have way too many.
Dad!
What?
You bought it!
Yeah, that you told me you wanted me to buy it.
No, I didn't! I didn't so I can remember if I lost it.
Oh, okay, if I find one then I'll get it to you.
I'm gonna buy I'm trying to market, but I'm gonna buy that healing drone near me, so I don't want anybody else to get it.
Yay, a drone! That drone that Dad bought is now mine because I got the Quentin.
Alright. That is. Yes, healer drone.
Okay, Zach, I found a gunner drone for you.
Yeah, I already saw it. going there.
Oh, that's that. Okay. Okay, guys, I think we should start the teleporter event soon. We've been here for 6 minutes now.
Okay, let's go.
Let me see what this use item is first. Wait on over here. What's an egg?
Yeah, Quentin's favorite item.
I'm coming there.
I found the money gun.
Yeah, it is. So you have good Quentin.
But and you get it because you're the owner.
Oh. Oh.
Now I get to use money gun. Ow.
Okay, guys, I'm going to activate the teleporter.
Activate it.
Whoa. I almost jumped out there. That would have been bad. Oh, wait.
And the challenge of the mountain begins.
Oh, I'm using my money again.
It's really good.
That's good if I have spare money.
But the money gun maybe has a lot. I got 2.
1, 2.
Dad, you get the
Got
2.
mine.
Alright, good job.
Yay.
Wait, did anyone get the class under?
Yeah, I did.
With the money gun. And so far out, every time I use it, it didn't get them.
Yeah, we fixed it because it might be dead.
Wait, you nailed down like thousands of times?
Yeah, this one.
Otherwise, you weren't leaving me. And you actually have trouble with this wood cannon.
Guys!
Wait, don't go in there yet.
No, not yet. Well, actually, no, we can't go in there, actually.
Don't go in there yet. Don't go in there.
What? Ah, I didn't go in, but I did whatever.
But Dad, Archer, we can still beat the 3rd level after we get...
No, I just was saying to wait so I can get those 2 chests.
Oh.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Guys, don't go there yet, Quentin. I'll pick up the sock first.
I'm not spending any lunar coins, so don't expect me to buy anything.
Alright, what is this item? It is the brilliant beam. All of your attacks explode. Well,
No.
sounds good to me. I can't buy it, no.
Well, we don't need it. We can still get another.
Okay, meet you guys in the void.
I'll wait for you.
Wait, I should just, change my options while I wait.
Oh man, volcanic egg is gonna help so much in the void fields.
Oh yeah, it will. Okay. Let's see. I want to adjust some of my settings.
Wait for me, Zach. I'm at
Wait
low
for Dad.
health right now, so.
Wait for Dad.
Well, you can go to the portal, it's fine. You don't have to all be there.
I forget, who did I unlock Acrid with?
Commander.
Amanda?
No,
Oh yeah.
I think we were...
Multi.
Might have been multi.
Wait, Quentin, let our coin.
Yes. Thanks. Okay.
Now you almost have enough.
Hello, Long Zorn.
Those guys do no damage to me sometimes. I don't even know how. Money!
Is it because you have tougher times?
Oh, I must have leveled up or something.
But what happened?
Drop war banner.
But this run's going pretty well.
Yep.
Oh, there he is. Ah,
What, Quentin?
accidentally went into transport mode.
Okay.
Hey, everyone gets one item.
Wait, no, me.
Oh,
Oh yeah, Zach, you can have mine.
okay, where, does anybody see the next beam?
Yep.
You do? Where?
Well,
Over there, Quentin, right behind you.
Oh, there.
turn into a dragon.
Tougher times.
Well, that's okay.
Tough luck. Alright, yeah, railgun's better for these dudes.
And the money gun. Go team. The what, kid? Well, Quentin, they're blocking a lot of your attacks.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
one for
why
everyone.
that's why I'm using the nail gun. Okay, where
This
is
way,
the beam?
follow me.
Oh, there it is. I saw it.
Activate. Big
Beetle. Oh no, not these guys.
Alright, I'm good. Alright. Railgun. Pretty nice.
Quentin, the railgun, you could use that gun, but you do more damage for a second. And they block a lot.
Yeah, I remember. I used the nail gun for this. Or the rail gun, whatever it is.
The punching rebar is best guess.
No, I'm using the rail gun. I mean the nail gun. The gun. The mail gun.
The mail gun. Pew, 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 pew.
I like killing the bells a lot more.
They're not bells, Quentin.
They look like bells, so they're bells. Oh, wow. I got 2 war banners now.
Having 2 war banners increases the range of your war banner.
Ah, okay.
All 3 of us having a war banner increases the range quite a bit.
Got it.
Personal shield generator.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. That's gonna be really annoying. They already block our attacks half the time as it is.
And now they block it even half again.
Well, just think of it as them having extra health that they can regenerate really fast.
Yep.
Ow. Wow, those bullets hit me so hard.
Those bison are so far away, it's getting kind of annoying. At least these bells are easy to shoot and kill. Actually, if
I
we're
finally
gonna kill
killed the
bison, we're
bison,
gonna have to
guys.
go over there.
I killed the bison.
Good work. Don't suffocate.
Holy cow, there's another bison. There's bison all over the place. Guys, one for
Alright.
me, one for
One
me.
magazine for everyone.
Now that can grow 2 times.
Okay. Oh, there it is. Alright, I like killing wisps. Because I can rebar punch them, and rebar punching is really impressive, even though it's not the most effective skill.
Holy cow, it takes me so long to kill enemies. Might even block my strongest attack. They're going Quentin!
Right. Technically I only need one more, but for the portal I'll need 2 more. So, 2 more. Go. Ah! The wisps sometimes block my attack.
I hate this item that the monsters have. Ukuleles!
Awesome.
Okay.
My favorite item.
Over there. Basically useless. I'm just gonna sit right here.
Oh great, they have redwoods now. What do those do again?
They're faster out of combat.
So, not really helpful.
So,
They're not even helpful for them.
Because they basically come here to do combat.
well, we have like ultimate war banner combo, so yay.
I do 62 damage.
Alright, what they drop? Razor wire. Cool, I have 3 of them now.
I have 3 of them. Dad, do you have 3 of them?
Yep.
Oh,
Stone Golem.
Alright. Leave on with the good.
Oh no, 2 more to go. This one, and the next one, and then that next one.
Okay.
So it's more considered this one and the next 2. Wow. Everyone has the exact same amount of money. Except Quentin.
I'm saving it all to the last.
Me and Dad are the only people who have the most money.
It's fine. Like, use your ability.
What ability?
Okay. Will of the Wisp. Okay. That one's okay.
Okay, do you guys see the teleporter? Because I can't.
Cell vents.